So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our gold. We are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what gold is going to be doing for us for the day. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel also, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Right, follow the Telegram to stay updated. Right now, you can see that gold is now starting to give us an uptrend move. Take a look at it right here. This is the day time frame, and this day time frame has given us a double bottom. That means market is now about to push up. Why are we going to be expecting such a movement? It is very simple here, guys. Go to your dollar index. It is our dollar index that will guide us to understand what market is doing. Now, when you take a look at your dollar index, you can see that the dollar index is literally dropping, right? So basically, markets give us a pullback here, right? And then it eventually drop one more time. So we would expect that drop to continue to it is able to hit our support level. So basically, if the dollar index is dropping, any period, that means your USD dollar is literally dropping. So anything you're trading against your USD should be buying. Since the USD is dropping, then we should be expecting gold to be pushing up. This is one of the reasons why we will be anticipating for a bullish move for the day also on our gold. You can place that gold is literally on a bullish move right here. Go to your daily time frame also. The overall trend is an uptrend move. So this is the minor trend right here, which is an downtrend move. But now market has now changed its trend and it is now pushing up. So this is one of the reasons why we would be anticipating for a bullish move for the day on Thursday. So if you are not yet in the buy, look to going for the buy. But if you are in the buy, still in your buy position. As you can see, this will be your first high. This will be seen to be the higher low. Now this will be taken to be the higher high. Here will be taken to be our higher low. Now we'll be expecting market to push up again to give us a new higher high. So a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates. Like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. Find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.